Welcome to Mr. Finance, where we help you make smarter financial decisions. In today's video, we're tackling a big topic: how to pay off debt fast. If you've been struggling with debt, stick around, because I'm about to share 5 proven strategies that can help you get debt-free quicker than you think. Let's start with the Snowball Method. It's a simple but powerful way to pay off debt. Here's how it works. List all your debts from the smallest to the largest. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is gone, roll that payment into the next smallest. The idea is that you build momentum, like a snowball rolling downhill, which keeps you motivated to keep going. It's not just about math, it's about psychology. Paying off those small debts gives you a mental win, which can help you stay on track. Next up is the avalanche method. This one is for those who prefer to save on interest. Instead of focusing on the smallest debt, you focus on the one with the highest interest rate. Pay as much as you can on that high-interest debt while making minimum payments on the others. Over time, you'll pay less in interest, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. It's the smarter choice mathematically, but it can take longer to feel those victories. If you've got multiple debts with high interest rates, consider debt consolidation. This strategy combines all your debts into one single payment, usually with a lower interest rate. You can do this through a personal loan, a balance transfer credit card, or a debt consolidation company. The benefit here is simplicity. You only have one payment to worry about each month, and if you get a lower rate, you can pay off your debt faster. Sometimes the best way to tackle debt is to bring in more money. Whether it's picking up a side hustle, selling unused items, or asking for a raise at work, increasing your income can help you throw more money at your debt. Every extra dollar you earn can go directly toward your debt, speeding up the process. Think about it. If you bring in just $200 extra a month, that's $2,400 a year that you can use to reduce your debt faster. Finally, let's talk about cutting unnecessary expenses. It's not the most fun strategy, but it's effective. Look at your budget and find areas where you can cut back. Whether it's canceling subscriptions you don't use, cooking more at home instead of eating out, or pausing non-essential spending for a few months. By freeing up cash, you can redirect that money toward paying off your debt. It's all about short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. These are 5 proven strategies to help you pay off debt faster: the Snowball Method, Avalanche Method, debt consolidation, increasing your income, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Choose the strategy that works best for you and start taking action today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more tips on how to master your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.